Hello, in this Python video we are going to look at overloading operators. So an operator is something like equals. It is something like, plus. These are operators. And if we were to try and add two classes together, that's not really going to work. But what we can do is overload an operator so we can provide specific functionality. So you could, add two classes together. You could take away two classes. You could change the way they, compare. We're just going to use the example of add, but we'll provide a link so you can see all the other sort of methods that you can change as well. So for this vehicle right here, we've got a speed value. We have a speed value. And we're going to overload a method. So we're going to put def underscore. Sort out the indentation. Def underscore add underscore. So that's the method for adding, so plus. And first of all, just put self, then comma, I'm just going to say other vehicle. So this will be the other vehicle, so like the other instance object. So we're not going to specifically pass this in, and we will just do return because we're going to return it to the point where we do the addition. And what we are going to return is essentially just you can do a bunch of things. So you could create a whole nother vehicle object. So you could do something like vehicle and return this object with the new value of speed, and you could pass it in to here. Yeah, you know what? Let's have a go at doing that. I was going to return a simple value, but let's make it a bit more complex. So you're going to do self dot speed plus other vehicle dot speed, and that's it. So we've overloaded it and all errors have disappeared. Let's go down. So we've got, so from the previous printout, speed for car 1 and 2 is 5 and 89 at this particular point. So if I created another car, so if I call this car 3, I could say car 1 plus car 2, so no errors. I could do print car 3 dot speed. So let's see what we get. Run it and we get 94. It's because when we added car 1 and car 2, this overloaded operator was invoked, and as a result we created a new vehicle class or object that got returned, which got assigned to this, and as a part of that we passed in the speed from the first object, speed from the second object, added them together, and because our init method had this as part of the init method, the parameters, we was able to set a new value for speed. So that's it for overloading operators. Honestly, there's not much more to it than that. Obviously, you can provide more functionality. Maybe the add-in, adds a lot more. Keeps track of a few things. Maybe it adds stuff to a dictionary. That's all fine. You can do whatever you want. But the core essence, we've covered that. Like I said, there'll be a link with the video that'll help you with all the other operators that you can overload as well. That's it. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.